Now, the next topic is May 4th movement in China. This is video number 8, ongoing chapter part 2 modernizations. Because student, this is the very lengthy chapters, so we will be try in the explain in the detail explanation. So will be the number of videos will be increased, and this is video number 8, and the today's topic is May 4th movement in China. Now, in the last class, we have discussed the most important point, the three principles of Sun Yat-sen. Sun Yat-sen is the modern founder of the Chinese revolutions. On the 4th May 1919, the angry demonstrations was held in the Beijing. Beijing is important place of China, city of China, to the protests against the decisions to the post-war peace conference. So conferences that despite the being in allied of the Victorian side led by the British in the China did not get back to the territories seized from it. The protest become the movement. A movement. अब ये जो protest start हुआ बेटा, so in the protest become the movement in the galvanize the wool the generations to attack the traditional and to call for the saving China through the modern science, democracy and the nationalism. In the particularly at the time, because China is very considered country, and all about thinking is that because one side because look, we've seen in the political map of China and the Japan, there is the sharing the borders in the some parts of eastern sides. Revolutionaries call the driving out of the foreigners who were controlling the country's resources to remove inequalities and reduce the poverty. So they advocated the reforms such as use the simple language. Up there will be the talking about the bring the change, especially in the China's that the smaller class, the elite class will be the sharing equal percentage of the growth and the benefits, and the food branding and the subordinations of the women, the equalities in the marriage, economic and development, and to end the poverties. China after the Republican revolutions of 1911, the Kuomintang is the name of Chinese party, the National People's Party. Kuomintang and the CCP, the Chinese Communist Party, emerged as the major forces striving to unite the country and bring stability to provide the country especially. So Kuomintang, the National Party of China. Okay, so Sun Yat-sen's ideas become the basis of the political philosophy to the Kuomintang. They identify the four great needs to the clothes, food, housing and the transportations. देखिए ये पार्टी बनी बेटा, दे डिमांड देयर इज द बेसिक नीड, द क्लोथ कपड़ा ना, फूड खाना, हाउसिंग मकान घर एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट यात्री. सो आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ द सन यात चियांग काई शेक, दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट बेटा. आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ द सन यासेन, चियांग काई शेक emerged as the leader of Kuomintang. Chiang Kai-shek launched the military campaign to control the warlords and eliminated the communities also. Chiang Kai-shek advocated to the secular and the rationals, this worldly confucianism. Chiang Kai-shek also sought the military rights to the nations, and the Chiang Kai-shek encouraged the women to cultivate the four varieties of the chastity, appearance, speech and the work also. So the recognize their role has confines to the household, and even the length of the hemlines, the level of the lower edge of the garment was the prescribed by the Chiang Kai-shek. The government, the social base was in the urban areas, and the still growth was the slow and the limited, and at the time especially. So social and cultural change help along the spread to the schools and the universities. Peking University is most important beta. Peking University is the highest benefit university, especially in the China, with the established in 1902. Journalism flourished and reflecting the growing attraction of this new thinking. The popular Life Weekly edited the Zhao Taifans introduced the readers the new ideas as well as the leaders such as the Mahatma Gandhi and Kemal Atatürk, the modernist leaders of the Turkey. Rickshaws pullers, woodcutters by the Lajia, that is the novels, and the novel the Black Clayton, the Black American triplet players, the Shanghai had a greater sympathy for the plight of the Chinese, being himself is to victim of the racial discriminations. They go into the fields because it's the narrow social base and the limited political visions, and the Gomando parties ignore the peasantry and the social inequalities sought to impose the military orders. Now, how the rise of CCP? The Japanese invaded the China. The Japan's invaded the China's in 1937. That is the important because because जापान ने चाइना पे अटैक किया 1937, ठीक है. द गवर्नमेंट द रिट्रेट उसने पार्टी ने रिएक्शन किया, ठीक है. द लॉन्ग एंड द एनहाउसेड वॉर द वीकेंड इन द चाइना प्राइसेस hike destroyed to lives the ordinary peoples, and the ruler China faced the two crises. One crisis is ecologically with the soil and the deforestation and the falls, and the two the social economy one on cost of the exploiting the land tenure system. And also so the country on the third international 1918 Russian Revolution 1917 lead the USSR and the Chinese CCP, and it's the last point. What is the main concern of this? The Chinese CCP. The CCP had the founded in 1921. ये सबसे important है बेटा CCP का foundation का. So 1921, and soon after the Russian revolutions, Mao Zedong 1893-1976, who emerged the major CCP leaders. His success made the CCP the powerful political force that ultimately won against the Kuomintang. Mao Zedong and the communist camped in the Jiangxi in the mountains to secure for the Kuomintang attacks from 1928 to 1934. The strong peasant council, Soviet, we know the France's war, was organized and united through the confections and the redistributions of the lands. The Mao stressed to need to the independent government and the armies. He had become aware to the women's problems and supported to emerge to the rural women, especially in the associations, promulgated the new marriage laws and the forcibly the arrange the marriage and stop the purchase the sales of the marriage contract, simplified the divorce system. Mao Zedong conducted a survey of 1913s to acknowledge the exams of the natures of the exploitations, and during the Chinese, Japanese and Japan and China and Japan's war 1939 to 1945, the communists and the government worked together. So long march will be discussed in next video. Thank you for this video.